My name is Kyle Matuszewski. This is my dad, Jerry Matuszewski. We're a father and son barbecue team nationally. I'm ranked 5th in the nation for side categories, and we're going to show you and cook you some of the side categories that got us first place.
So for starters, we're going to go ahead and do the chicken stuffed sweet peppers. Just these sweet peppers you've seen in the produce in a lot of areas. Now, they're really great. Now, if you like to spice it up, we're going to put a little Memphis seasoning in here. You could use a jalapeno if you'd like, okay? But for everybody loves these because the whole family can eat them.
I like the appetizers. The stuffed peppers and the mushrooms look very, very pleasing. Something that I'll try in my backyard for sure.
I'm going to put them on the grill like this. And I'm going to want to leave about 1 inch space between each chicken thigh as I go in a circle around the kettle. Just going to cut the high points off of it. Any hanging meats, any fats, I'm going to want to trim all that off. When you go out and pick these steaks, you want to look for that third muscle and then all the marbling. See all the white fat in between the meat? That's what you're looking for. That's what you want.
They're perfect. They're juicy. You get the meats falling off the bone, and that seasoning is excellent. Just enough spice to it. These are excellent. Almost as good as mine.